Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Jair, for you with the latest infotainment, entertainment, lifestyle gist, and everything in between. Yes! Guys, the premiere of Beast of Two Worlds, Ajakaju. Everybody was there to support Eniola Ajao in collaboration with Ant Hill Studios for this grand display at Circle Mall. Yes, I think it's the first time someone is doing a premiere at Circle Mall, and it was a shutdown. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. So guys, let's take a look at the behind the scenes. Let's go front and center and watch our fan favorite A-listers from Odun Adekola. Yes, come on, Lateef, Shola Showale, Ibrahim Chata, Oshodi, Ronke, Madam Ronke. Yes, let's enjoy the vibes, the styling, the ashoke, the cultural display, which I love, if you know me very well. Daring and fierce looks of our top celebrity superstars who brought it, who came big and wouldn't go home, because you know the deal is that you bring it or you go home. Guys, enjoy the highlights of this Talk of the Town premiere. It was the talk. It was major. Bobriskky was there. Oh, you guys. See Phyna, Big Brother winner. Hey, if you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. See Lola Ajao. Okay, Eniola Ajao's grand entrance. She did it big. This is your Lollywood Yoruba superstars. Olumide Oworu in the building. I love his Adire. You know, simple, cute. I love it. So guys, enjoy the highlights of this. What you think about our superstars? What you think about money spent on premieres? Is it necessary? Is it necessary to spend so much money on a premiere? Guys, so let's enjoy the highlights. Comment below. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Comment below again. Oshe Adebayo Salami. I love his Chinko Prince Ashwebi. Guys, enjoy the highlights. This is so beautiful. See sexy still, Baba. Just open his own store in Osaka. Hey, London. You guys enjoy the highlights of this. This is unbelievable, unique, and I've enjoyed myself. Yes, guys. Erica, Big Brother excommunicated, or is it a dismissed housemate? Still reigning. Enjoy.